Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today's video is a beach trip with me. Now this is the beach. It's called Clovelly Beach. It's wonderful. Now here we're trying to make a sandcastle slash sand tunnel. And now it's time for some water play before it's dark. The water was a little dirty, but I think it's okay. Now that's our stuff. I know it's a lot. Oh, and we're still making the sandcastle. And it's made! Now we're playing frisbee, but before that, we have to break this. And we do go a little crazy after a point. From now, we go a little crazy. Now we're finally walking back to another place though, and we just rinsed ourselves up with the shower. This place is a rocky beach. It's the same beach, but it's still it's just beside it. The waves which smash around is so pretty. And here's the slow motion for you guys. Enjoy! That was epic. And now this is us trying to get closer, but not too close. That's my cousin with the seashell. This is the sunset. And now we're going home. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe.